Hey, how's it going? Okay, we have already someone watching. That's cool. All right. So yeah, I mean, let's maybe start this server. Yeah, I thought I'll just finish working on my website with the new font and the stuff I have. It's been hanging around for a long time, and I need to update it. This should be. No, that's not the one. Okay, so I have few websites that probably I need to stop some servers, but yeah. All right, so we have this new design, and then this. Maybe I should remove entirely the pagination. I think I'm gonna do it. Like, I don't wanna. Doesn't make sense to have paginations. Just saying. So it's gonna be like one page, and then when you go here, this is the text, this is the image. Yeah. Okay, let's see. This should be inside of the templates article. And probably before keeping a change, I need to save my changes in a branch or something, because here we have all of this stuff that changed. Yeah, like all of this stuff that I changed, I need to add. So maybe I will git add here, and then git maybe create a branch and then call it new design. Yeah, and then maybe commit here we'll be removing post CSS and other stuff. I'm still not happy about few things, like this one right here. Maybe it needs some more spaces or something. H2 and okay, so that's the font is there, but maybe I need to make it a little bit bigger. So this one is 3XL. Maybe this one should be something like, so if you're gonna do this, maybe text is 2XL, okay, or maybe XL. Yeah, and then margin Y maybe 4 or something like that. Yeah, I think that's gonna be okay. So let's go to the styles. I think this whole component stuff will remove soonish. And then here, so we apply stuff for H1. Then maybe here H2 is we're gonna apply some more stuff. Hi Nelly, how's it going? Text maybe XL. Yeah, let's see about, yeah, and then I said I will do margin Y maybe 4. Let's see. Okay, so that's that. Okay. Now this is the H3, I guess. So for H3, let me add I guess this should be LG, and then we'll have also the same margin. Yep. Okay, that's cool. Maybe let's go back to this is weird, like why this is okay, so this is okay. I guess this also should have the container and then MX Auto in it. Where was it? Still having like all of these old classes which I need at some point to remove. Yeah, okay. This will be container also, and then MX Auto. And then we will see, this should be aligned with the logo. With the logo. All right. Yep. Kind of. I mean, because the logo is like... all right. These I will probably... So I made them like this, but I'll probably change them with... I'll add like some... Jeez, I can't even talk today. We'll probably add some icons in here instead. But let's see about that. Okay, so this is the date. And then if we go back, we have this nice list. So also probably let's remove the pagination. I had the pagination, I don't think we're gonna use it. Okay, so also helmet is not used anymore. And so we had this component which is home that got all the stuff. So probably what we're gonna do is, yeah, so I will take all of this and go back to pages, create the index in here, an index.js, which will be like the home page, paste all the things that I have. This will override like the main stuff. So probably also change some importing. So layout would be Okay, so I should go to components and then layout. Yep. And then this one should be this. Let's see. All right. Sorry. What else? So I think there's the pagination links that I need to remove. Article, blah, blah, blah. I think we don't need these paginations anymore. And let's go back also to, I think this article needs to be moved at some point. Yeah, like all these nodes and stuff. So this pagination link probably will get removed, and all of this gets removed. We don't need the page context, and I think also let's just okay, let's see, something went wrong there, but value is never used. Okay, sorry, here this needs to be, let's just delete everything, and we don't need these nodes anymore. We will replace it with a query actually, which is inside the Gatsby node. Yeah, I never stopped using VS Code. I mean, I'm mostly using Vim anyway, and yeah, I feel more productive with it. But yeah, I mean, if you feel like VS Code is better, I can also happily switch to VS Code. What do you think? But like my day-to-day coding is actually done in Vim, so that's why I'm doing Vim most of the time. But if VS Code is better in streaming, I can happily switch to that. All right. Node. Yeah. Okay. Let's maybe. Okay. Let's open code, so we'll have like a better thing to work with. Maybe the stream would be much better. Where is it? Here. Here's the code. All right. Yep. And then I can go to Gatsby node. And I was using this dependency to create like pages on Gatsby, and using like combination of limit and skip, it can like create some pages. But right now I don't need that. I don't need this index page because it's not a template anymore. This one will be moved to the home page, and then I don't need to create this page, although I need to create like all these articles. Yeah. So I can, okay, remove that, safely remove this, copy this query, go back to the index page. I don't know this anymore. I don't need this anymore. And then, yeah, anytime. Yeah, I mean, I want everyone to see the code and see what I'm doing. Is the font okay? Does it look okay? Or should I like bump it even further? So here we'll export a const and then maybe we call it query. This will be GraphQL from Gatsby. And then we get this query. Okay. And since here we go through these nodes, which we'll get them in the data, we can do const nodes, and these nodes we will get them from data.all. Hi Ahmed. Yeah, I'm actually continuing to work on my website. You know, last time I did some redesign, but I didn't finish it. And I thought, yeah, it's like the weekend. And I actually was traveling, and I just came in, so I thought maybe we could just hang out and change some stuff on my website. I think instead of edges, we can do like nodes and then remove this one, because that's how the new Gatsby stuff work. So we can do like nodes from there, and I guess this should be fine. And then here we don't need this publish date, we don't need the content anymore, because we need only the slag that we will pass to the template stuff. Probably we don't need this sort right here, because we're creating all the pages. Like we don't need to. Oh man. Okay, update now maybe. Okay. I hope it doesn't just crash on me. And yeah, okay. Do whatever you want. VS Code. Maybe I will just. Yeah, definitely. I'm using actually Contentful. Let me show you. If my computer can move. Let me show you my actual space where I publish my content from. And it's been using Contentful for pretty much since I joined Contentful. Yeah, like 3 years ago or more. Okay, let me just enter some more credentials. Oh, maybe I can just make sure first it shows only the content that I want you to see. What? All right. So here's my actual website. I can show you like the content model. I use a very simple content model, really nothing fancy. So I have author, which is most of the time it's me, like full name, bio, and then avatar. And the blog is actually title Slack as a Slack, like a feature image content. And the content, I'm still using the old markdown field. I'll probably switch to the rich text at some point. And then I have the publish date and then the author. And then this is like canonical. So if I'm, for example, if I want to use the same data from this space to publish into like my, like as a guest post, for example, I have this howtocontentful.com website, and there's, if I can scroll, okay, so there's this blog right here. So you can see this is the same blog in also my blog right here, and this has a canonical, so it's kind of a guest post. Yeah, so that's basically the idea. And then if you go to the content, blogs, I have like 12 entries, which I should probably write more. And then the author, it's basically just one person, which is me. So this is like the basic setup. I don't have like any fancy things. I have like other projects, but yeah, I'm probably gonna show them maybe later. Let's see. So this is still failing. Obviously, it will still fail somehow. Did I stop the server? I think I... Oh, okay. Let me just kill anything on the port 8002 and then open the server again just to see. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I've done some videos, so if you're on Egghead, I have this course I built for like Gatsby and Contentful, but you can actually learn a lot about content modeling and stuff from it. So here's the course. And also, if you subscribe to this howtocontentful.com, this is like, it has only one mailing course, but I will be adding more. So this is like actually sending you an email every day and making sure that you build something with Contentful, and not only not only just checking the platform. Let's see, where is this? So it's complaining at us at some point. Articles. Okay, this is line 12. Line 12. Node.slack. Okay, so I think this should be also, now it should be data.something directly. We don't need that. And yeah, we don't need the node. This actually should be like this. And let's save. Come on, you should render stuff now. Okay, so now we should be able to see all my blog posts. Yeah, since the beginning, all the 12 of them, or 15 or more. Yeah, I mean, I'm also like doing some. I did some a contentful stream few like last week. So if you go through the playlist from previous streams, you can find them on YouTube. You will definitely find one stream which was actually really great. So you can actually I showed how you can create all your content type programmatically and then progressively and like enhance them and do a lot of great stuff. Okay, so this looks nice. I'm not sure about the text, but it's very clear, so I like that. Now I'm not happy about like. So this definitely is not working because I see a lot of people coming in and reading. Yeah. So that's a great question. So the question here is why I'm not filtering by published or draft. So first thing, okay, this should be a link. So first thing is I am using a Gatsby plugin. So it's not like the native contentful GraphQL. Just to make sure. So what Gatsby source contentful is using? It's using the CDA. If you do like contentful CDA, and then go here. So the content delivery API actually gives you only published entries. So you don't need to actually filter by that. So if you're using this delivery API, you will only make sure you will always get only the published entries or the published content. So that's why I don't I don't like filter by published or not. But if I'm, for example, using like the content preview API, which is also the read-only API, but includes drafts, then I could probably do some filtering. But since the source plugin by default is using the delivery API, I don't need to do any filtering because it's already published. Yeah. So I was saying, where's these things? Okay, it should probably update all the links to do my to be yeah. Probably then I can do something like I can do if I do this like A and then say okay, apply href. Would that even work? Let's see. I already built like this href link here, so if I try to apply it, probably it will work. Let's see. Nope. So then maybe I can do this. Yeah, and then a hover will be this. Okay, success. Yeah, now I have some nice links. I don't know what's okay, this one is This one is bad. Yeah, this anchor is, maybe if I just do this anchor and then border transparent, I think. Bottom transparent. I need to apply, of course. Why? No, it's still here. Can we do like 0? Yeah, okay, that's fine. And I still have like my links here. This is nice. And the anchors are there. Alrighty. So I think this looks nice. Oh my god. Okay, I should fix this image. Like the quality is terrible. Okay, so we have this. All nice and tidy. We go here. We have all of that. Ah, come on. And then here. Yeah, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. This author stuff. This author stuff is okay. And this is like very ugly. Oh my god! And then the text is broken. I can't believe this. What do we have here? So this is the form. And okay, let's do subscription form Tailwind just to look for inspirations, because I'm really bad with colors and stuff. Probably I will. Okay, this is actually not bad, because I can add like my color in here and then do some stuff with it. So okay, let's see. So the sign up form will be, maybe let's start with this. Okay, so it's definitely, this is the section. Okay. So let's see. What do we have here? come on, it's not where I... No, I don't want this. Okay, so this is like the... Okay, let's make it all like... We will... Where's this article newsletter? Let's just get rid of this crap. All right, it's here. Just remove this. Okay, one other thing is make this like different. Where's this custom font, custom form that I have? So, yeah, this is the way to do it, I guess. Yeah, there's like some other... Okay, so first thing first, let's get this color right here, which is... Where is it? Where's my color? Yeah, TL 600. First thing first, border purple. So this should be border. Okay, and then here let's get the case text gray text. So here maybe this will be okay. Text SM and then text gray. Yeah. And I mean this, I kind of like this, but then the button maybe probably should go down. which is in here. Input. Where's the input? Yeah, so we have this type email, and then the button. And probably, okay. Okay, class name. We don't need this class name here. Maybe remove this class name from the form. What's keeping you from adapting to the new styles? Ah, yes, okay. Because you know what? I'm gonna just go to layout and then stop importing this entirely and see what will happen. Probably a lot of things will break down like this, but it's fine. We're gonna fix it. What's happening to this button now? So this would be maybe teal 600. Okay, it's that's that. And then maybe you should have a max width for the form to not be so max width maybe MD. Yeah. Okay, and this should be maybe can do like MX Auto. Yeah. Okay. This is very nice. Probably we can move this inside of here somehow. I'll like remove it and then have this one added here. And then save this one. Okay, now, okay, that looks not bad. And then instead of like maybe this post, we can have it less specific and say, okay, enjoy this, enjoy the content. The content, yeah. And instead of subscribe, maybe keep me. Do we say up to date or updated? I think it's up to date. but I'm not sure. Or maybe you can have like maybe here's like start learning. Could be also. Why not? Yeah, and then do we add a space? No, it's too much. No. Yeah. And then this P, maybe we can have like a padding of 4. And then text gray 600. Maybe 700. Yeah, and I guess we can have something like we need to have like a margin of 4. MY4. Yeah. Okay, let's tackle this author stuff in here, probably. And then, yeah. I think this is getting really great. There. Is the author here? I think the author page is here somewhere. It should be here. Okay. So maybe we can have M top 4 just to start with. Okay, this is the person. Inside of the person we have this avatar. So here is this should be maybe rounded, full, overflow, hidden, just to start with the picture, and then W6H6 to give it just width and height. Maybe that's very small. Let's see. Okay, 24. Is that even? Does it even exist in Tailwind? Yeah. 24. That's not bad. I guess this will be okay. Flex. And then flex. Wrap at some point. And this one would be width is 2/3, I guess. And the text would be very, I guess we need like text small, and then text gray 700. And probably we don't need like Okay, so maybe the full name would be like semi bold. Is it text or font? I thought I installed like an extension for Tailwind, but somehow it's not working. Okay, so let's see. Text semi. Is it like one word? Okay, let's see. Bold. Yeah, I think we don't need this whole full name stuff. And then let's remove this description stuff. Probably here we can have P6, just a nice padding. It's too much. PX4. And probably, let's see. Yeah, let's do margin top. Let's do some spacing. Yeah, maybe also like. Then MX Auto to just center everything. I don't feel it's centered, but I'm not sure. So if you remove container, no. Do we have as warnings? Let's see, maybe we're doing something crazy. Holy moly. Yeah, should probably keep this styling for the code stuff, because that's inside of I think Cobalt 2. I think so, yeah. Maybe if I just take this one and then put it inside of Tailwinds. It's like, and let's see. Yeah, some of it, but not all of it. Maybe this is. Yeah, now it's Cobalt. Good theme. Okay, so this is. Yeah. Yeah, so that's nice. Okay, we fixed the styling for the code. Okay, we have this author page, we have the links. All is good. This also might still need some fixing. Yeah, this courses page is like a mess right now. I might like change these as like cards with different courses. I think I might like, yeah, next time I will just change this to like cards. Yeah. And then this one, yeah, I mean, it's just like simple stuff. The courses about me, this is also still terrible. I should fix this. Yeah, but like so far, I think we did a great great thing in the articles and then the detail. Yeah, stuff are. I guess this is, yeah. Don't know if this is like that readable, but yeah, this is not bad. Yeah, I can read. I have this. Yeah, make sure to subscribe also, people. Whenever I write a new blog post, I'll be sending your email around. Probably this is redundant, so we should remove it. Yeah, but I think I will call it a stream. I call it like a night, and then tomorrow we will continue. Probably on the website, or maybe we go back to our SaaS app. Depends on like the mood, I guess. Also, but before I go, if you have any questions, I could probably answer some. If you have some questions around Contentful, Tailwind, CSS, or anything related. Okay, then I guess if there's no questions, I would say goodbye and then okay. Oh, nice, thank you. Yeah, I do pretty much a stream every day, so yeah, you can come and hang out with us, and we're building great things. And if you go to YouTube, like for all the recordings, come on, my channel. And then, yeah, I see I'm still like live streaming here. Playlist, and this is the playlist. you can like watch what we did. We actually trying to build like a full SaaS app using Jamstack technologies, mainly Gatsby and some Netlify functions, and we use the identity. We also use Stripe to charge customers and stuff like that. And we have like authentications in place. We did some Twilio stuff, so it was really awesome. So make sure to check it out. Yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.